Japanese Sake sisters.
Coco and I have
No retard. Hi, I'm Shino.
I'm Coco.
We are Japanese Sake sisters.
Shino and I have a passion to promote Japanese sake and culture around the world.
We are at the Ise-Shima restaurant at the Miracle Hybrid Hotel. Today we're gonna enjoy autumn sake cocktails.
Yes, Ise-Shima has a very nice and comfortable bar section, and today's bartender Lucas picks us very nice drinks. They are world famous Saketini and
Viewing Moon, Otsukimi.
so this Saketini is made with Akagisan Junmai Ginjo and Vodka and Cinzano.
Smells fresh and clean.
Yep. So I'm gonna taste it now. It's very dry and crisp and very sharp.
Sure.
You want to try it?
Yeah. It's very smooth, clean, and a little bit dry.
I smell some rice too, of course, because Junmai Ginjo.
I like the balance. Not overwhelming, vodka or Junmai Ginjo taste. It's mixed very well.
Yeah, I think that goes well with any kind of food, Japanese or non-Japanese food, because it's not, like you said, it's not really strong or like standing out. So it just, blend nicely with any food.
So I have a Viewing Moon Otsukimi cocktail. This is made with Plum wine and Yukari.
What kind of plum wine is that?
Choya Plum wine. Okay. It's nice, I like the presentation.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I think lemon kind of symbolizes the moon.
Yes.
So viewing moon, it is like autumn season. There's a harvest moon, so that you see it's like a moon coming out, coming down, and the red kind of symbolizes harvest moon.
I like the velvet, color. Let's taste. It's nice. I like it.
How nice is it?
It's not like too much sweet. Usually I'm not a big fan of sweet cocktail, but it's not that overwhelming, and I just little bit taste of Yukari. So it's not like Yukari taste.
So this is how it looks. See that you can see kind of moon over kind of red, beautiful Yukari and Meshu plum wine color.
Plum wine is, of course, a little bit sweet side, but
It's not so much.
it's a nice cocktail.
Oh, I can taste the plum wine very nicely. And like you said, it's not sweet at all. And it's not really strong.
Not strong.
Not strong. Oh, I can taste, Yukari aftertaste kind of, But it's really,
I didn't know that Yukari and plum wine go well.
it's very fresh, finish. And it kind of grassy, plants because of the Yukari. But it nicely blends with the plum wine.
So it's good for like a start drink, when you sit down at the bar, you can order this and kind of relax. It's great for dinner.
Good. So here's the recipe for Saketini.
Here are ingredients for Saketini. You will need 2.5 ounces gin or vodka, half ounce sake, half ounce vermouth, and garnish. First, pour the ingredients into a mixing glass filled with ice. Second, stir well. Third, strain into a chilled cocktail glass. And fourth, garnish with an olive.
Here's the recipe for Viewing Moon Otsukimi.
You will pour 2 ounces Choya Plum wine, 1 ounce Yukari concentrated, and 1 ounce club soda into a rocks glass and garnish with lemon wheel. It's so easy.
The name of Saketini is a portmanteau of sake and martini, as you can guess.
Yes, the 2015 work, The Cocktail Detective, attributed the drink's invention to Chef Matsuda in Queens during the 1964 World Trade, only later reviving it in the 1990s. So Saketini is one of the most famous, right?
Yes, very
sake
famous.
cocktail in the world.
So this drink is called Otsukimi and Viewing Moon. This cocktail is only available at Ise-Shima restaurant, limited time. The autumn special drink, so they have a nice patio outside.
Very nice.
So if you wanna try it, come on and order.
Yes, it's very romantic drink, so that they order this and go outside dining and enjoy it while you're appreciating the moon, harvest moon. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to us and let us know what would you like to know about the sake.
Kanpai.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.